Hello and welcome on my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to paint weapons in 1:35 scale. To make it easier, it's a good idea to take a closer look at the original copy from that period. The first thing I will do is remove the excess plastic. Be careful not to damage delicate elements, especially the rifle barrel. When the guns are clean, they are ready to paint. For painting I use flat black from Tamiya and airbrush. In this process I cover all rifles and machine guns with black paint. If you don't have an airbrush, you can still achieve similar effect using a regular brush. When the paint dries, our weapons are ready for the next stage. We will add contrast using the dry brush technique. I use metallic grey to start the process. Now I'm removing excess paint from the brush. Then I gently rub the brush against the gun. This will highlight all the details and give depth to our weapon. This technique is very easy to use and it gives outstanding effect. I repeat same process with chrome silver, but this time I use even less paint than before. Now I'm painting the basic color of the wood. In this video I will try two types of wood. The first type is darker and the second one will be lighter. To create a wood texture, I mix the two previous colors in a 1:1 ratio, adding a paint retarder. Then I slowly started painting stripes, imitating the texture of wood. To do this, I used thinnest brush possible. When the paint dries, I use dark brown wash from AK. This will improve the color of the wood and make it look more realistic. Remember to remove excess wash. Here is the result of my work. If my video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. This will give me a motivation to make more content for you.